welcome back to my channel. This is Jamie and today is graphic liner trendy Tuesday. Now today I'm gonna do some work with some black liner, so that's kind of scary, but we're gonna do it nonetheless. So I got my base on my eyebrows, primer potion by Urban Decay on my eyes, and I'm going to use the ABH Norvina, the little one. I got this for $14.50, and I just got it from wherever I ordered it from, Sephora, and it was broke. But I don't think that's bad enough for me to send it back, so we're gonna do an orange and black look. I'm gonna start out with the orange, of course, there in the palette, and just start putting it on my eye. I have not used this yet, by the way, so. Ooh. I'm thinking about getting the water activated eyeliners that they've come out with, the little ones and the little, I've been wanting them. I think Sherry said she wanted them too. Definitely want those. Because then you can have them around for quite a while, and you know, they're already dried out. All you have to do is add water, so they'll probably stay around for a minute. They are $30, so it's kind of like $10 per like little thing, because they kind of, I'll put a picture of them in so that you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is a really pretty orange. I think this is one of my favorites so far. This palette is cute. I should have got the other one. There was one that was out of stock, which is the ones with the little cherries on the front, but they were on sale for $14.50. I should have got the other one. The other one was, I don't remember what it was. Sorry. We're just gonna kind of wing it out. Let me get a littler brush, if I can find one. I need to put these in my wash bucket. I don't know where my little brush went. There it is. But yeah, I need to put these in my wash bucket so I can get a different set out, because I've been using these for a while. A little bit. I think the thing was all over the eyelid. I might put a little bit of gold in the middle. Well, I know you put a gold in the inner corner, but so orange is popping for summer, baby. I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush away the fallout. And let's see here. I'm gonna blend a little bit here because she's not looking blended. She's not. She's just not. Oh, by the way, I got my hair done by my hairdresser. My hairdresser Michelle. I haven't seen her in a year, and I finally went down and got my hair done. So it's like, basically, if you look at it in the light, it's got a purple tinge to it, but it looks black, and that's fine with me because I've had black hair a lot in my life. But I did get a lecture by her, and I'm rightfully so, but like in a funny way. It's like kind of like, girl, what are you doing with your life? What did you do? She's like, what the hell do you got in your hair? I'm like, box dye. She's like, yeah, and I know some box dyes are okay, but what I use must not have been that good. I think I used Feria, but it's like, my hair was feeling real bad. Now it's feeling really good. I got my hair done. Let's see, what is today? I don't remember what day I got it done. I'm gonna take some of this lighter orange. It's been a few days since I got my hair done. I think it's been about 4 days, and I have not washed it. So how does she get my hair to stay clean for so long? I know she used tea tree oil, kind of like shampoo, but how does she do it? Nobody knows. Because if I was to do my hair with it, it would only last a couple days. So I don't get it. I don't get it, girl. How do you do it? How do you do it? I might have to clean this bottom part up with some concealer, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna take the little brush again and I'm gonna do the bottom, and then we can start with a liner. Cause girl, we're already like 5 minutes in and we haven't got no liner on, girl. What are you doing, Shadow? So soon I'll have some puppies, and I'll probably do a whole video on my puppies. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't know. I know this lady's probably reputable because she's from a different state, so I have to give her the money then get the puppies, but girl, with the way this world is going, do you blame me? Okay, I'm gonna take some of the yellow. I know there's really not yellow in the picture, but I'm just gonna kind of blend out this edge just a little bit, and probably then put a little white. See, I like doing these and getting an inspiration pick, and then it kind of gets you out of your zone of what you always... What are you doing? Sorry if he's peeing or pooping back there. I mean, he's a dog. He don't really do that a lot, but he does. I mean, he'll do it sometimes, so... He's my love. He's my sweetie pie. But, okay. So, where are we at now? I'm not going to clean up the fallout yet, but this is where we're at so far. Well, let's go in with the liner. I have the CoverGirl liner. It is liquid liner. I don't know. It looks like this. So, I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. Something like that. How does this thing look? Yeah, and then it goes. It's scary. It's scary, y'all. Sorry if I don't talk during this. It seems like my looks always end up more round looking than... Maybe it's my eye. I think that looks good, especially in person. On camera it looks a little weird, but in person it looks pretty good. I don't know. Forgive me if I don't talk. That left one always turns out bad. Like I said, time and time again, turns out bad. Okay, it didn't turn out that bad, but I don't think it looks the same. I'm not saying it turned out really good either, but I feel it could have gone worse. So this one's more bold on this side, so I gotta add more to thicken this girl up. Girl, you need to be thick. Come on, girl. Thicken up, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry a minute. Let me get my handy dandy fan out. My handy dandy broken fan from the Dollar Tree. So, whew, okay, so next holiday is Halloween, and that's a little bit away, but I went to At Home, and they already have all their Halloween stuff out, girl. So there's so much home decor that I could get. Sorry. Okay, so I think it's a little dry now. I'm gonna go because it looks like trash. I don't know how they get it so smooth. If you guys have tips on how they get it so smooth looking, because if you see, it's not like real smooth, so I gotta figure out to smooth it out. Let me see. I gotta find something that's dark, something that's like almost black. How about, let me see what this looks like. I'm gonna try this sparkly one by MAC in the Risk Taker palette, this palette. I know it's gonna be a little, probably a little sparkly, but it is a rendition of. It's not an exact thing, if I said that before. Because for one thing, I don't wear lashes often, so mine's gonna not look as good, which I don't know. We'll see what happens in the future. I've tried, and it just takes forever to put on lashes, and they always look like trash on me, so oh no, girl, oh no. We'll see. I think that looks better already. Yeah, like I said, I wish I could wear lashes, but I always put them on, they always look kind of trash, so there's that, you know? I mean, of course it makes me look more pretty, but can I put them on right? Not really. I'm gonna sharpen this one up. And then, let's see here. Let me look at my little paper. And then, find my little, I don't know where it went. My little Sephora. It's like a little sample. Let me sharpen it so I don't scratch my eyeball. Because it's kind of, it's not like all the way down, but it really needs kind of sharpened. See? Now it's bigger. And I'll just put this in here. In my waterline. Connect them. Ay, chihuahua. I'm liking this look, y'all. I'm gonna go back into the Norvina palette. This is so freaking cute. I love it. The size, this would be perfect for traveling. I don't know why people always like, perfect for travel. It's like, bitch, I don't travel. I mean, I like traveling, but when you gotta do everything in your normal life, I don't know, dude. So yeah, I'm gonna go back over these orange and the yellow. Yeah, I don't know how people get things to look so seamlessly, like smooth. Anybody got any like tips or tricks for me? That'd be great. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place, the Warrior palette. These are some newer palettes that I've gotten recently. I'm gonna take, which one's the gold? I'm gonna take this one. It looks like it's gold. And put it on the inner corner. Let's spray it with some continuous setting spray by Morphe. And just with that. Yeah. Oh, I just went to the wrong one. Oh, that's pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on some, I got some setting spray on my mirror so I can't see. Some Grande Drama, whatever you call it, on my lashes. Just coat it a lot. Yeah, like I said, if I had, if I knew how to put lashes on, then I would do it. But I mean, I know how. It always turns out kind of trashy looking. So I'm gonna take, where'd that liner go? It's a mess down here, so as per usual, I'm gonna take this little thing and I'm gonna put a star. Gotta concentrate. It's not gonna be perfect. Yeah, my star looks stupid. Let's put on the rest of my makeup real quick. I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Biz. I hear Raw Beauty Christy talking about this all the time, so, and she's probably about the same color as me, so yeah. Shady Biz. Oh, she raves about this. Can I not open anything? Like, not open anything. I can't open anything. What, is it my nails? I swear I opened, okay. Girl, send in fucking reinforcements to help me. So, this is the first time I'm using this. Okay. It's kind of warm, but kind of, yeah. I like, oh God, yes. I love it. I love it. And what actually, I'm gonna go on this palette again and use this as blush. Right in here, this little one. I'll just kind of coat it up on there. Girl, you can do whatever in makeup. There is no rules. I mean, there's rules that people think that they made up, but I'm gonna look orange and sun-kissed-y today. I'll take the Juvia's Place again and use it for highlight, because that middle shade is good for highlight. Highlight it up, baby. That's weird. I just think I thought I saw somebody out of the corner of my eye. I'm here alone. Nice. And if there is someone, they're gonna get fucking tased. As grand fashion, I take this and blend everything in, so it doesn't look so harsh. And it's the one I use for my, whatever you call it. And I'm gonna put on a lippy, and I don't know which one I would put on, but we're gonna figure it out. I did get this one from Kat Von D. It's Wizard, but I don't really want a black lipstick right now. Let's put on this by Elf called Cream. Just a nude. No lip liner today. Well, maybe, yeah. I might. If I can find a lip liner. Where the hell is it? I don't know. I don't know. I'll take this Shoop one by Milani. Okay, I think this is the final look. So, if you like this look, make sure you go down in the description box, or whatever, give me a like, go down in the description box, and you can follow all my social medias. Make sure you comment down below. Give me a comment, because I am fucking bored. But anyways, that is today's video of trendy graphic liner Trendy Tuesday. Hopefully you like this series. This might be the last one, but we'll see. Let me know down below if you think that I should continue or not. But thank you for watching, and you have a great day, and bye.